little majority. Siki told me that there's a bit of a problem here. Ndio nikakuja niangalie. But as you have rightly said, the security agencies can take it no matter how far do the necessary action.
Yeah.
Yes. We leave it to them. It's of course unfortunate, very, very unfortunate. We leave it to them to make a decision as to what took place and what to do going forward.
Wakora wameingia hapa, let me use that word, kwa sababu ni mikora. They have destroyed vehicles for the honorable members. They have destroyed the vehicle for Honorable Boss Mairura, Honorable Bari and Honorable Mwamba. We were informed when we were on session. We came out as honorable members. We confirmed, and we have called the security agency here. They are here. They are going to start investigating immediately. Because anywhere in the world, the assembly is the most protected area. We don't expect this kind of an event in the assembly. But nevertheless, since now the security agency are here, I can request them that they increase the security for this place, because these premises, they are housing the governor of the Kisii County, because one of the vehicles which has been destroyed, it is in the front, in the office of the governor.
Was parked in front of them.
And it is parked there. So meaning security has become an issue. We are requesting you increase the security for honorable members so that we can be able to transact our business, because if we don't, we are not giving services to our people.
We were in the assembly with a normal plenary session, and my peer told me that we have people who have come, around 20 people who are in masses, and they have destroyed my car, that of Mheshimiwa Bari and Mheshimiwa Mwamba. I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest court, and some of us, we are not scared. But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives, because the security agencies have been here and have made a statement. We want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive. Asante.
Brief. In the past 1 or 2 weeks, we've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly and in Kisii County at large. What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But I want to say that that's an act of cowardice. I have said before that I'm one person who doesn't fear anything, and I want to speak directly to the governor of Kisii County. Stop sending those people. Stop sending those boys. You've said you want my head. Just tell me where you want that head and bring it. But as for the fact that I will be calling out corruption, I will continue calling out corruption. You came into power promising heaven. You came into power saying that you are fighting corruption, but you are the architect and the sole proprietor of corruption in Kisii County. We will continue calling out that. To the people who did this, I know and have been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game, and I want to ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act. That is all I can say.
Your safety is secured, and at the end of the day, we'll get to the bottom line of it, and it will be for public consumption. Everybody will know what has transpired. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Mwamba Nikadema so watch. Nalinga assembly got the Gari and the motive I don't know. But because I'm here and the security agency, they have come, they have promised to dig out and know what is the motive. The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Wadi, and I've been championing for my people to get the development, which is not there. Anytime I put something on development, it's being removed, and it's being removed from executive. So if it's the executive targeting me, my God above will target them first. And I know that. I know the God I believe. The God I believe, even if this is political, but the God I believe, you will receive the result very soon. Thank you.